Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Easy Laser, a full guide to precision alignment. We'll start by identifying the main components of your Easy Laser system, ensuring you know each part's function. Then, I'll walk you through the correct setup of the laser transmitter and detector, which is crucial for accurate readings. Finally, we'll cover the essential preparatory steps before you begin any measurement task. Now, let's dive into the measurement process itself. I'll guide you through the step-by-step procedure for capturing accurate alignment data. You'll learn how to effectively interpret the real-time information presented on your Easy Laser unit's display. We'll also discuss common measurement errors and provide practical tips on how to quickly identify and correct them, ensuring reliable results every time. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. And on another note, if you're into meal prep, you know how important good containers are. Make your meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers, perfect for sauces like the one we're making. Check the description below for the link and other amazing deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now,